Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix a no available connection in Steam. So guys, I'm going to show you multiple methods. So for the first one is go to your start menu and search for Steam, and from here just simply click on open file location, and from here right click on the Steam again and go for open file location once again, and after that you should be able to see the Steam. So from here just right click on it and go to properties, and from here go to compatibility, and after that just simply go ahead and make sure to click on this run this program as administrator. So guys, from here just make sure to check this box and click on apply and okay, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. But if it doesn't, just simply open your Steam app. And now from here, just simply go to the Steam icon on the top left and go to settings over here. And after that, just simply go to the downloads. Make sure your download region is where you are located, or just simply choose the nearest location that are available. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and uncheck this box, limit download speed. So make sure don't do this. And from here, just simply go ahead and click on clear cache, and you should be able to fix the issue. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.